Hi everyone. So here we are going to learn sequences and series. So in this chapter, I'll be explaining to you concept and the problems. Like this, we are going to do it. The whole chapter of sequences and series. Like that only. The other chapters also we are going to do of all the chapters of IIT syllabus in the mathematics. Yeah, coming to the sequences and series. So here is the sequences. In that, the first point to learn is in this we have a finite sequences and infinite sequences. So in finite sequence, I think you all know the finite means it will be a countable thing. Like suppose here example I have given 1, 3, 5 so on to n terms, and infinite it is like 5, 10, 15 so on to it's continuous, it's an infinite. So it's infinite, the symbol of this is infinite. So there's two kinds of sequences we have. The first topic is this, and then next we'll go to the arithmetic progression. Yeah, so coming to this, the next thing is here the arithmetic progressions. So already you have learned in the 10th class the arithmetic progression, because all the topics are already there in the 10th class. So it's a general form of arithmetic progression. I think you know arithmetic progression is a number, a constant number which you are adding continuously. Okay, so that is what the general form of the arithmetic progression is. Suppose the first term is a and the second term is a plus d, and the next term is again you're going to add a d. So it is a plus 2d and a plus 3d, like that, so on. This is the general form. And then common difference of this both. So both the numbers, like difference of all the numbers will be the same. If it is not same, then it is not arithmetic progression. So d is the common difference is the second term minus the first term. So the second term we have written here, it has like tn minus 1. Okay, second term minus the first term. Or else if you take it as a third term minus the second term, whatever the nth term if you take it, that term minus the before term. If you subtract it, then it's a common difference you're going to get. And the next nth term, suppose if you're finding an nth term, then your formula is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. I think you know already, it is in the 10th class how we got this formula and all. So the first term is a and the n is the nth term and the d is the common difference. So if you substitute all the values, the particular term you are going to get it. And the next, sum of all n terms. Suppose if you want to add it all suppose 10 terms are there. If you want to add all those terms, then that is a formula is here. Sn is equals to n. Suppose you are counting numbers from 1 to 10 of series in a particular series. Like suppose the series is 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. So 10 numbers you want to count it. So here is the n, because the 10 numbers and 10 terms these are. So here is a 10 by 2. The first term whatever you are having in the series, you will write it as a value. Then 2a n minus 1 into d is a common difference, and n is a particular number of terms. So here n is always a natural number. And then, so here we can use this formula if you want to find it, the sum of the terms. Or if you know the first term and the last term, if you know already. So we can use it directly. Sn is equals to n by 2. First term plus the last term. Then you will be going to get all sum of all the terms. Okay. Then the next is the difference, d. D, suppose the d is greater than the 0, positive number. Then the AP, the common difference, is a positive. Then the arithmetic progression will be increasing. Okay, not decreasing, but it's an increasing because the common difference is positive. Then the next common difference, if it is the minus, then your series obviously it will be increasing. Then suppose if the common difference is 0, then if the common difference is 0, then what you will be getting? It will be the same constant number you will be. Okay, I hope you are very clear with this basics things in the arithmetic progression. Yes, coming to the next part, here is the note, have to remember it. Suppose n odd numbers. Odd numbers means what? It's, you know already the odd numbers. So suppose the nth term is odd, it will be like 2n minus 1. And then even numbers all like 2n. Okay, then sum of the first n terms, n odd natural numbers. Suppose n odd natural numbers, you will know like 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7 continuously. So this certain number, certain terms, if you have sum of the first n odd numbers is n square. So directly you can apply it, n square. Sum of the first n even natural numbers. So even numbers, natural numbers. So sum of those all, so certain number, if you certain terms, if you are adding sum of the directly n into n plus 1, you can apply it. So this things is for easy to calculators and save our time to calculate. Okay, so we'll go to the next part.